welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you again. For those who are new here, my name is Bien Lovelux. I always talk about lifestyle, fashion, and of course luxury. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and of course smash the notification bell so you're gonna be the first one to know every time I'm posting a new video. And in today's video, we're gonna have actually it's a triple unboxing video. So the last video that I posted is the shopping vlog. So if you haven't seen that video, please watch that video, guys. So we have a lot of goodies in there, and this is the result of that video. So I bought a couple of things, and actually, like, you know, these things are on my wish list for a long time, and finally I have them. First thing that I gonna reveal to you guys is this new handbag from Loewe. So if you haven't know this brand yet, Loewe is a Spanish brand, and actually, like, you know, they create like really great handbag, and the leather is really great, guys. Amazing leather, and you know, the craftsmanship is so nice as well. And they have like a couple of nice handbag, like, you know, like the one very famous in this brand, guys, is their puzzle handbag. Actually, the Loewe handbag, they don't have a back, so it only goes with this dust bag, guys. And then they have here the booklet, guys. So this one, it is like, you know, it has a double dust bag, so it's really protected. And this is the handbag, guys. So handbag name is called Bolso Pochette Natural, and this is like a raffia bag. So this is how it looks like, and it has like a Loewe logo here with, like, you know, it's a beautiful brown leather, and then with like white stitching. And then here you have the strap, which is like not detachable, not adjustable as well. It's in beautiful leather. And then look at the stitching, guys. It's quite nice. I like the contrast of the stitching. And then if you open, it's a zipper, and then you have like a leather zipper pull. Look at that. And then when you open it, so inside we have here the certificate, guys, and like, you know, all the booklet, certificate, and you have here everything in here. It's quite decent actually. And then inside, when you open it, it is like, you know, a fabric lining. It's a beautiful fabric lining in light brown. It looks really natural, and you have the logo there. And yeah, this is the handbag looks like, guys. It's quite big enough, like, you know, you can put like, you know, all your necessities. Why I need to get this handbag? Because, like, you know, we live here in the tropical, and of course, like, you know, when we go to the beach, I really don't have like a basket bag or like a raffia bag, which is like, you know, so nice with my outfits, especially when you're wearing whites. Actually, like, you know, I have this handbag. I think it's called Gate handbag. It's also from Loewe, guys, but it's too small. This is like a present from my husband on my birthday, something like that. So, like, you know, it's beautiful. It's the same color. You know, the leather is the same color, and the stitching, and, you know, and this is just like, you know, a different material of raffia, but it's just like, you know, my cell phone can barely fit in it. It's so difficult, and it's like, you know, it's so beautiful, guys. It's slightly bigger. Again, I love it because it's so perfect for my outfits, like especially like, you know, when you are in the beach, like, you know, wearing like white dress or something like that. That is really beautiful. So that's why I get this handbag. Actually, in Farfetch, it's about like 850 US dollars, but actually in the store here in Thailand, I only paid 680 US dollar. So, like, you know, for 680, this is really a proper bag. So, and then like with the leather and stuff like. So let's find out what can fit in this handbag. So I have here a regular wallet, so perfectly it can fit really perfect there. And I have here my mini pochette, guys. So yeah, mini pochette can fit actually. So you can put, like, you know, your alcohol, all your necessity in the pochette. And of course, I have here a big cell phone. So this is the iPhone, like, you know, the big size. So yeah, I can slide it in there, and then it's still spacious, guys. So I think let's try to put my key pouch in there. Can fit, guys. Actually, you can really stretch them. For example, we add on, like, you know, a compact wallet inside, so still it can fit still, and then, like, you know, it still have spaces, guys. So I think, like, you know, if you put sunglasses in here, it can still fit. So actually, guys, it can really fit all your necessities. So, like, you know, highly recommend this bag. I have two things from Hermes. So the first thing is, like, you know, from this small bag. So this is the, let's open it together, guys. So this is so cute. And ta-da! So I have here my beautiful Click H, guys, it's in pink and then like rose gold hardware, guys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, it's so cute. So like, you know, recently I really love wearing the Click H, guys. So I have like couple of them already. So I'm thinking, like, you know, I want to get like, you know, all the colors that I have, like, you know, like my handbags. I want to match it with my handbags, especially the Hermes handbag. So whatever color of Hermes handbag that I have, so I want to have them all. And actually, like, you know, I only have like the palladium hardware and gold hardware Click H, guys. So and this one is quite special because this is like rose gold. So I believe this one is quite hard to find and hard to get as well. So like, you know, I just want to take out all the sticker, guys. And yeah, so I want to, actually my size is PM size, so it's the small one. So this is how it looks like. So the size is PM size. So look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so cute. Pink and then like rose gold hardware. It's a perfect combination. By the way, the price for the Click H these days, guys, is $690 here in Thailand. So yeah, it's more expensive than the handbag actually. But I really love it. Like, you know, I really use them a lot. So like, you know, I stack them with my other jewelry. So they look cute and very fun. So especially like, you know, when you're wearing like an Hermes bag, so it's quite nice as well. So it's really matchy with this pink Hermes handbag that I have. So yeah, so it's quite cute. So I'm excited about that. I'm so happy about. Next one, guys. Actually, this one is organization or like a cosmetic pouch or something like that. But you can turn this one as a handbag. So this is like, you know, I consider this one as the cheapest cosmetic pouch and also like the cheapest handbag that I will have from Hermes, guys. So this is how it looks like. By the way, it just like only looks like very simple. It doesn't have any bags, so that is like, you know, so obvious that it doesn't cost a lot. And it doesn't also have a dust bag. It doesn't include the dust bag. So yeah, so it's only a paper, guys. So this is a budget-friendly handbag from Hermes, guys. And if you are excited to know about this, look at this. So I saw this one in the store several times already, and then like I saw one of my YouTube friend that unboxed this one, and she turned this one as a handbag as well. So the name of this pouch, guys, is Trousse de Voyage Bolide. Yeah, in mini, 100% cotton in orange. So like, you know, it's in cotton material, guys. It's that canvas. So like, you know, I have like a one. So as a comparison, guys, this is the canvas. This is a garden bag from Hermes as well. So this is like, you know, the canvas. And this is like, you know, it's pure cotton. Yeah, look at that. That is the difference. And then the color as well. Like, you know, this is like, you know, the true orange. This is like, you know, really a signature orange of Hermes. And this is how it looks like. This is the color. So the just very simple, guys. So like, you know, you have a palladium hardware, and of course you have like a leather trimming over there, and then you have a very small like H logo here. Yeah, it's embroidered, and then like here in the zipper pull, you have like a small leather as well, and you have like Hermes as well over here. And then here on the side you have two, like a D-ring, something like that. So and then here you have this shape as well, nothing in there. So when we open it, has inside, it has like a lining, so it's like more silky lining, and then it has like a padding. And then here you have the logo here. It's 100% cotton, blah blah blah. So like, you know, Hermes Paris, made in France. Yeah, and then yeah, this is how it looks like inside. So here the PM size cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton, guys. Actually, I already put like a D-ring here because like, you know, I really plan to make her as a shoulder bag, as crossbody bag. And this is how they look like side by side. So this is the comparison. Yeah, actually, the Hermes is like, you know, taller than the cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton, guys. Taller. And also, it's slightly bigger here on the side. oh, it's the same. And then like here, this side, like, you know, the cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton is more thicker. So that is how it looks like. So let's find out what can fit in this cosmetic pouch, guys. So number one, I have here my mini pochette. Let's try if my mini pochette can squeeze in. Actually, you can put the mini pochette inside, but it's quite a squeeze. And you know, when you do like Sewy wallet, we can squeeze in the Sewy wallet. Actually, guys, it can fit really a lot. Quite my necessity. And then like, you know, big cell phone as well. Yeah, it can fit. So it's a little bit tight, guys, to fit the big cell phone. But actually, if you have a regular cell phone, it's just easy. And of course, I want to really squeeze my key pouch. It's quite, yeah, it's quite, so maybe we just leave the key pouch. And then, yeah, it can fit. Look at that. And so I have here a strap, guys, from one of my handbag from Louis Vuitton. So let's gonna put this one here. So it's quite spacious, guys, to put your strap inside. And also here on the other side, it's really amazing, guys. It's really like a real handbag. So look at this. So I love it. I love it. So by the way, this is just like only gold hardware. I'm supposed to wear like a palladium hardware with this one. So I'm gonna look for a handbag which has a palladium hardware. So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this, guys. It's a proper handbag. Yeah, it's so comfortable as well. So I think I really use this one as a handbag, guys. So look at that. I'm so excited. So like, if you ask me, it's so worth it. Actually, guys, this is very affordable. The price for this one is only $360. For $360, guys, you already a handbag from Hermes, guys. So I have here the strap from my mini Evelyn, guys, and look at this. This is also palladium hardware, and this one is palladium hardware. And then the leather also is in brown, the same color as the brown here, and the piping. So this one is so perfect. And then if you want contrast, it's really nice. The combination of the lime and then the orange, guys, is so perfect, and it looks like this. So by the way, my height is 152 cm and I'm medium built. So way, this might be the last time that I'm gonna have a video here in this room, because like, you know, I'm on the process of making my own studio. So like, you know, by the way, guys, watch out for a video, because I want to show you what is the process that I've been through to make the studio. Actually, it's a conversion, guys. So that place is like been our helper place. So and then I said, like, you know, it's been sitting there, and like, you know, so many rats and so many, like, you know, animals living in there. So I said to have a use, so that, like, you know, I have my own space as well. It's like a girly place. So I will turn it as a studio, guys. So looking forward, and I'm gonna share to you, like, you know, my story with my tiny home, guys, because I'm a really fan of tiny home. So like, you know, watch out for that video, guys. And thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course share this video to your friend. Till the next video, guys. Bye.